Hello everyone, I'm Henry. Welcome to JS for Everyone. Today we are going to learn about the environment setup which is needed for you to start coding in JavaScript. The first thing which we have to understand is what are all the different tools which are needed for you to get started with JavaScript coding. Uh, Basically, if you want to code in ES5, all you need is a browser and a text editor. But we will be using ES6, so we have to have some extra tools which are needed for us to transfer it to ES5. So let's understand what are the different tools needed for us to start coding in ES6 in JavaScript. First of all, you have to have some modern browsers like Chrome or Safari. So if you have that, then that's good. And the second one is we might have to have Node.js, which is a runtime environment which will execute JavaScript outside of browser. Why do we need Node.js? We'll be using something called Node Package Manager, which gives us ability to install the third-party packages in our project. For example, we'll be using Babel, which is a transpiler for compiling ES6 to ES5. Node Package Manager gives us that package, so that it will be easy for us to install those packages in our project. That's why we need Node.js as well as Node Package Manager. If you install Node.js, Node Package Manager comes along with it. And then we'll be installing Babel using Node Package Manager, and then Webpack. Webpack is a bundler. We won't use it in the initial videos, but we'll be using Webpack in the later advanced videos in order to bundle our JS files. The final tool which we needed is the editor, code editor, right? So I am using VS Code, so I recommend you guys also to use VS Code because that's really powerful and helpful. But if you use Sublime Text, that is also very good. So you can use either VS Code or Sublime Text. Both are really good editors for JavaScript. In this video, we are going to learn about what is Node.js, and in the upcoming videos, you'll be knowing about what is Babel and Node Package Manager. So what is Node.js? Node.js is a runtime which executes JavaScript outside of the browser. In what is JavaScript video, I have said that Node.js JavaScript was initially created as a client-side language for browsers. But now JavaScript is not only used in browsers, but also outside the browsers. So Node.js gives us the capability to write JavaScript outside the browsers. Are we going to write some JavaScript outside the browser? No, we are not going to write JavaScript outside the browser. But what we are going to use is Node Package Manager, which comes with Node.js in order to install dependencies or third-party dependencies like Babel or Webpack. If you want to install it, we should have Node Package Manager. That's why we have to install Node.js in our laptop. Okay, now you know what is Node.js, but the important thing is how to install Node.js. If you see here, this is the link to download the Node.js. Click that link, it goes to a page where you can have, there are two versions. One is long-term support Node.js, another one is current version. The long-term support, there will be two installers, Windows installer and macOS installer. Depending on the OS which you are using, you can install these installers. Once you download it and start installing it, it will be very simple, like next, and then agree. Once it is installed, what we can do is we can go to command prompt or terminal in your laptop, and what you can do is you can say that node-v. So when we do this, it will give us the current installed Node.js version. If you are getting this version, then it is pretty much clear that Node has installed properly in your laptop. Or else, and then we have to look up for npm version, npm-v. This will give us the npm version number. Using this, you can understood that we have installed both Node.js as well as npm Node Package Manager as well. So as a quick recap, so in this video we have understood what are the different tools needed, like Chrome, we need Node Package Manager, we need Node.js, we need Babel, and then Webpack as well as VS Code, which is an editor. And we have understood what is Node.js and how to install Node.js. and also how to check whether the Node.js is installed properly in your laptop or not. In the later videos, you'll be knowing about Babel as well as Node Package Manager. That's it, everyone, for this video. See you guys in the next video. If you really like my videos, just give a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts regarding these videos, you can always comment and recommend to your friends who wants to learn JavaScript from the basics. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye bye.